Nakaka-cancel ka ba dahil sa mga healthy lifestyle choices mo? Yung tipong sinasabihan ka na nila ng payat-payat mo na, nag-workout ka pa. Nagtatry ka pang magpapayat, tataba ka rin naman. Naku, pwede ba pinagloloko mo lang yung sarili mo, hindi totoo yung ginagawa mo? It's really a common struggle. Don't let those negative comments bring you down or even dishearten you or worse, stop you from continuing that journey. You don't have to educate or even explain to other people kung ano yung ginagawa mo. But always remember that your health journey is personal. It's about looking good and feeling good mentally and physically. And at the same time, bring yourself into a community of like-minded individuals who you know will educate you, support you, and further motivate you towards achieving your goals. And when you have those two formulas, education and proper support system, soon enough, you will develop that self-confidence. And when that self-confidence happens, eventually, ikaw na ang magi-inspire at magmamotivate din sa ibang tao who were also in that same spot as yours before. Basta tandaan mo, hindi mo kailangan i-prioritize kung ano yung mga naririnig mo at opinion ng ibang tao. Prioritize mo dapat ang sarili mo, mental health, physical health, and of course, your well-being. And remember, a healthy lifestyle is a balanced one. It's all about sustainable choices. Hindi kailangan ng mga extreme measures. So I want you to go out there, continue your healthy habits, stay strong, and let your positive choices shine. After all, you deserve to live your best life. Coach Ana Niag here. If you need help, I'm here. Basta, emi na lang muna sa kanila talaga lahat. Bye!